Hope you are doing well and safe. Today we are going to discuss about the Tally software and its vouchers. In recent days, Tally software is very essential to the business concern. That's why we are going to discuss about the Tally software. Let's go to the video. Hi. Before knowing about the Tally software, we should know about the term Tally. Tally, abbreviated as transactions allowed in linear line yard. In this page, it is explaining the features of Tally software. So, power of simplicity is the slogan of Tally software. Why we are using Tally software means it is a powerful accounting software. It converts a manual accounting process into systemized one. It is easy to set up and easy to use. We can easily install it in your computer or laptop or PC. So our accounting task is very simple through use of Tally software. It's a flexible one and reliable one. Apart from this, Tally software is a user-friendly software. It is easy to handle and easy to learn. Everyone can easily learn the software. Using Tally software, we can easily generate the report at any time, and even we can look at this into our mobile also. Apart from this, Tally have a multiple hierarchy feature. So if we enter a simple voucher, it will automatically generate the report. In this page, I am showing the founders of Tally software. In this window, we are looking about the founders of Tally software. The person who looks in front of the first one is S.S. Goyanga, who is the founder of Tally software. The first person is S.S. Goyanga. The next one is Bharat Goyanga, who is the son of S.S. Goyanga. He and S.S. Goyanga co-founded the Tally Solutions in 1986. After the last person is Tejas Goyanga, who is the son of Bharat Goyanga. Now he takes over the Tally Solutions Private Limited. In this page, it shows the Tally version history. That is from 1986 to till now. What are the versions are passed away? Now Tally.ERP9. Now Tally.ERP9. ERP9 is nothing but Enterprise Resources Planning. It is a recent software. After seeing the history, we are going to discuss about the vouchers in Tally. There are 4 vouchers. One accounting voucher, inventory voucher, order voucher, payroll voucher. For recording accounting transactions, we can use accounting vouchers. For recording stock, we can use inventory vouchers. Order voucher is nothing but the purchase order and sales order. Payroll is for entering the salary. Here we are going to discuss about the accounting vouchers. The first one is contra voucher. The shortcut key for that is F4. This voucher is used to record the banking transactions only. Say for example, cash to bank, bank to cash transactions are recorded in this voucher. For example, cash deposited into bank, cash withdrawal from bank are used to record. The next voucher is the payment voucher. The shortcut key for that is F5. This voucher is used to record the expenses transactions. Say for example, salary paid, asset purchase. Simply says all expenses transactions are recorded. The next voucher is receipt voucher. The shortcut key for that is F6. This voucher is used to record the income received transaction. That means any income we have to receive is entered here the voucher. After that, we are looking about the journal voucher. The shortcut key for that journal voucher is F7. Credit purchase transaction, credit sales transaction, sales return, purchase return, simply says without cash or bank transactions are recorded in this voucher. Depreciation, drawing for personal use are all the recorded in the voucher. Then the sales voucher. This is a very important voucher. The shortcut key for sales voucher is F8. This voucher is used to record the goods sales, whether it may be cash or credit. Nowadays, we are all entering the GST sales, so that this voucher is very much used for that. The next voucher is credit note voucher, control F8. Credit note voucher is used to record sales return transaction. Like this, debit note voucher used to record the purchase return transactions. The debit note voucher shortcut key is control F9. The important voucher is purchase voucher. The shortcut key for that is F9. It is very much used to record the purchase transaction, whether it may be a cash or credit purchase. So after seeing the accounting voucher, next we are going to discuss about the inventory vouchers. These vouchers are used to record the stock of our concern. The first voucher is rejection in voucher. Control F6 is the shortcut key for that voucher. This voucher is very much used to record the goods which are returned back by the customers, that is sales return transactions. The second voucher is rejection out voucher. The shortcut key for that is Alt F6. This voucher is very much used to record the purchase return transaction, that is goods returned to the suppliers. The next voucher is stock journal voucher. Alt F7 is the shortcut key. This voucher is used to transfer the material from one place to another. The next important voucher is delivery note voucher. Alt F8. This voucher is used to record the goods delivered to the customer. The next voucher is receipt note voucher. Alt F9 is the shortcut key for the voucher. This voucher is used to record goods received. Then the next voucher is physical stock voucher. Alt F10 is the shortcut key for the voucher. This voucher is used to record the actual stock physically verified, that is physically counted. The stocks are recorded by this voucher. So these are all the various types of inventory voucher which are all used day to day in our company. So after seeing this major part, we are going to discuss about the order voucher. There are three major type of order vouchers are available in the Tally software. First one is purchase order, Alt F4. Second one is Alt F5, sales order. Purchase order is used to give purchase order to the party. Sales order voucher is used to receive the sales order from the customers. The next order voucher is job order voucher, job in, job out. Alt J is the shortcut key for job workout order voucher. Alt W is the shortcut key for job work-in order voucher. Almost we are completing the all major types of voucher. The remaining voucher is a simple extra voucher, optional voucher. Optional voucher is used to record the unwanted vouchers. We may mark this optional voucher by clicking the shortcut key of Alt L. The next one is post-dated voucher. It is used to record the future date vouchers, future date transactions. The next voucher is memorandum voucher. The shortcut key is Alt F10. If you want to memorize any entry means, you may use this voucher. And finally, reverse journal voucher. Finally, reverse journal voucher. F10 is the shortcut key for that voucher. This voucher is used to record the rectifying wrong entries, non-accounting vouchers. So these are all the various types of vouchers available in Tally. Thank you. Good luck. I hope this video is very much useful for you. So please make use of this video for your studies. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe. Bye.